But it doesn't just stop at creating a profile. AI also uses this data to predict the optimal temperature for each stage of the soldering process, allowing for precise control and consistency. This level of accuracy can drastically reduce the chances of defects, ensuring each product meets the highest quality standards. And the benefits of this process are significant. Firstly, it improves product quality. By ensuring the soldering process is executed optimally, we can minimize defects and ensure each product that leaves the factory floor is up to standard. Secondly, it reduces waste. With less defective products being produced, we end up with less waste. And thirdly, it increases efficiency. By predicting and controlling the optimal temperatures, we can speed up the manufacturing process without compromising on quality. AI-powered thermal profiling is not just a fancy tech jargon, it's a game changer for electronics manufacturing. And as we continue to evolve and innovate, the benefits of this technology will only continue to grow. AI-powered thermal profiling is revolutionizing the soldering processes in electronics manufacturing. As we've explored, the role of artificial intelligence in this space is transformative, orchestrating precision and consistency in ways previously unimagined. At the heart of this revolution is thermal profiling, a technique that uses AI to monitor and control temperature variations during the soldering process. It's like having a watchful guardian, ensuring every solder joint is perfect every time. This is more than just about perfection, though. It's about optimization and defect prevention. AI's ability to analyze multitudes of data points in real time means it can instantly adjust parameters, reducing the risk of defects and improving overall quality. The benefits are clear: increased efficiency, better quality, and reduced waste. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. By optimizing soldering processes and preventing defects, AI-powered thermal profiling is ushering in a new era of efficiency and quality in electronics manufacturing.